Hello dear student, welcome into the class of physics by the Vijay sir. In this class we are going to the new things in a easiest method, that is properties of solid and liquids. Without delay start the lesson. Strain and stress, longitudinal strain, volumetric strain, shear strain. Stress, normal stress, compressive stress, tangential stress, right? Longitudinal strain, delta L by L. Delta L is change in body, right? Volumetric stress strain, delta V by V. Shearing strain, pi is equal delta L by L. Normal stress is equal F by A. This is a compressive pressure. This is a normal stress. A is equal to 4 pi r square. It is tangential stress. Shared stress. Shared stress is equal to F by A. Modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity, it is also very important. In modulus of elasticity, Y is equal tensile stress by longitudinal strain. Tensile stress by longitudinal strain. Tensile stress means this one, nothing but normal stress bracket lo tensile stress also, right? Tensile stress by longitudinal strain, nothing but tensile stress is equal to F by A, longitudinal strain delta L by L. Same way, tensile stress F by A by longitudinal strain delta L by L. Next one, bulk modulus. Bulk modulus of elasticity. Normal stress by volumetric strain. Normal stress delta P by minus volumetric strain. Volumetric strains minus delta V by V. Delta V by V. It's written as delta minus V delta P by delta V. This is bulk modulus of elasticity. This is also very important. This is also we can write F L by A into delta L, right? This is a Young modulus. This is a bulk modulus of elasticity. Modulus of rigidity or shared modulus. G is equal shared stress by shared strain. F by A into pi. Now this is written as shared stress. Shared stress is equal to F by A by shared strain pi is equal F by A pi. Substituting pi, G is equal to F by A into delta L by L, F L by delta A into delta L. A into delta L. Longitudinal strain delta L by L. Volumetric strain delta V by V. Shared strain delta L by L. And stress F by A. Normal or tensile stress P, and tangential stress or shared stress F by A. Now, Young modulus, stress by longitudinal strain, tensile or normal stress by longitudinal strain, nothing but FA by delta L by L. Next, bulk modulus of elasticity. This is compressive stress or normal stress by volumetric strain, and that one delta P by minus delta V by V. Delta P is normal or tensile stress. Okay. Modulus of rigidity, shared modulus. Modulus of rigidity or shared modulus. This is a tensile stress by shared strain. This is also easy to remember. Applications. For a wire, y means Young modulus is equal tensile stress by longitudinal strain, right? FL by A into delta L. Now F is equal y into A into delta L by L. This is force. A wire behaves like a spring of a spring constant K. K is equal YA by L. YA by L. Young modulus also constant, length also constant, A also constant. K proportional to 1 by L. When this wire is shared by applying on the external force F, and delta L is a extension of produced, then work done by the external force work W is equal to F into length. Here work done by the external force, change in length delta L. Work done by the restoring force, this is convert into kinetic energy. Now of A delta L, work done by the restoring force, this is half of the work, right? We know work F into delta L. Now work done by the external force is equal to half of the work, because half of the external work, because half into F into delta into L, delta L. Heat produced also same half of the work, F into delta L. Total work done by the external force half into F into delta L. Heat produced half into F into delta L. Elastic potential energy stored also half into F into delta L. Energy density U is equal to half into F into delta L by volume. right? Of into F into delta L by volume is equal to A into L, area into length. This can write as half into stress into strain. Stress into strain. Delta L by A del F by A. Delta L by L F by A. This one half into F by A into delta L by L of stress into strain. Work done by the external force. Work is equal W is equal to F into S, because S means displacement, change. Here delta L, length. Then work done by the restoring force, work done by the external force, F dot delta L, work done by the restoring force of the external force, heat produced of the external force, elastic potential energy stored of the work done by the external force. Listen, work done by the external force F into delta L, work done by the restoring force of the work done by the external force, heat produced of the external force, elastic potential energy stored of the work done by the external force. Energy density U is equal to energy density U is equal to half F into delta L by volume of F into delta L by volume. It is a wire, length, area of the wire, cross sectional area of the wire A, length of the wire L. Okay, U is equal to half delta F into delta L by volume of volume means F into delta L by A into L. Now this rearrangementing F by A delta L by L. Now this is F by A is equal to stress, normal stress or tensile stress. F by normal stress or tensile stress, delta L by L strain. We can write energy density of into stress into strain. Area of mass and area of mass M and length L hang from a supporter. Area of cross section A, extension produced due to its own weight. Delta L is equal to mgl by 2ay is equal to rho g L square by 2y. Rho is density of wire. A rod fixed between two rigid supporters. Then we can see here heat. If the delta T is rising in temperature, compressive strain delta L by L, we know formula. Then it's write as alpha into delta theta. Compressive strain is equal Y into strain. Why? Because Y is equal strain by stress by strain. Then we can write stress is equal to Y into strain. Now Y is equal stress is equal Y alpha delta theta. F is equal to Y alpha delta theta into A. If the rod is placed on a horizontal frictionless surface, then the device device load on the heating is 0. Poisson ratio, it is a very important. Consider Poisson ratio. Consider a uniform bar being stretched by the applied two forces at its end, like this. We can available to this diagram. See this diagram. First, body length L. If it is stretched, length is change, increasing length of delta L total after stretching this body. This R length is change L plus delta L, longitudinal strain delta L by L, lateral strain radius of the bar R, and after stretching radius of the bar R minus delta R, that lateral strain is equal to minus delta R by R, and Poisson ratio sigma is equal to delta R by R by delta L by L, nothing but delta and lateral strain by lateral stress. Poisson ratio lateral strain by lateral stress. Lateral strain Poisson ratio is equal lateral strain by longitudinal strain. Conclusion. Poisson ratio formula sigma is equal to delta R by R by delta L by L, nothing but longitudinal strain by lateral strain. Longitudinal strain by lateral